Let's get digital. Hi, I'm Kerry from Dream Creative Bee and welcome to my channel where we show you how to make money online with KDP low content books, Etsy and affiliate marketing with new training out each week. So be sure to hit the big red subscribe button down below. Today what I'm doing is I'm actually reviewing a new product by Shawn and it is called Let's Get Digital Buyers. And it is actually about creating and using digital planners in a new app called Zinnia. Now, I never even knew this app existed until I saw this training from Shawn on Saturday. And this is about how to get your customers who like paper planners, journals, and notebooks. So if you're already creating low content books, and printables and selling them either on Amazon or Etsy, you can then be getting another income stream on Etsy selling digital planners. And yes, you can be creating them for GoodNotes and Notability and OneNote, but this, like I say, is a new app that is growing very quickly, and it's another market for you to be selling. And if you haven't done any digital planners and don't even know where to start, this is a great piece of training because it actually shows you how the digital planner is used within the app, all the different movements she makes. Now, if you haven't got an iPad, it doesn't matter because you can still create these digital planners either using Keynote or PowerPoint. You must have one or the other. In fact, you can also follow it through if you've got another graphics package that accepts PNG files. But really, if you've got Keynote or PowerPoint, you can follow through. So this is about getting more income streams. So this is the sales page. There's no fluff about it saying get thousands and hordes of customers within instant. It is really what it's saying it is. It's her brand new course, Let's Get Digital Buyers, and it teaches you exactly how to make the transition from paper to digital fast, easy and fun for both you and your customers. So you can be using it personally for yourself, creating your own planners for yourself, but you can also be using it for your customers as well. Now, the app that is used if you want to go the digital way is a Zinnia app, and there is a freemium model, so there is a free part of it which obviously is limited, but you can still use it. I think you can get 3 journals, but there are only so many pages. So here it tells you about it being, why would you want to get into this? And it's about the new market. A lot of people are moving across to digital because either they might not have storage space or they want to be more green. They don't want to keep writing along in different planners and then losing them and having to store them. They want something that they can take with them. And also Zinnia is also creating an app that can be used on the iPhone. And there are a lot of people out there that use iPhones, but they might not have an iPad. So this is how she walks you through how Zinnia has made it easy to transition from paper journals to digital, how to use it and its included content, how to create and sell your own content for the customers that already use it, the surprisingly easy way to deliver content to your customers, but also what you create you can be using for GoodNotes and Notability and all the other apps. So you are basically repurposing your products just for wider customers, grabbing more customers. So that's why it's good. Now the front end training is 5 videos and 1 bonus video, but actually video 3 is split into 2, so it's actually 6 training videos. And this launches today on the 10th of December at 7 a.m. Pacific time, and it is priced at $27, normally priced at $47, and it will go back up to $47 on the 17th of December at 10 a.m. Pacific time. And there are 2 upsells, and I'll walk you through those upsells just now. So this is her actually showing you the actual planner being used, which is amazing because you never normally see that in training. You see people showing you how to actually create these wonderful planners that you actually sell on Etsy. So we'll have a look on Etsy just now, but this is the sales page. The link will be down in the description for you to check it out yourself and see whether or not you want the product. So let's go through. So this is Etsy, and I have typed in Zinnia templates, and there are different ones that you can be using. This is one here for the app. It's priced at £5.61, and it's just showing you the Huff and Knuckle guide. I don't know what that means, but it is to be used in the Zinnia app. Again, there is some wooden paper, there's some different simple notebooks. That's also good note optimized, so there's different ones there. And don't forget that when you do searches for digital planners, there is a lot of sales. There are lots of companies, there's lots of people buying, you know, loads of people. That this one sold over 1,477, that one's 533. Now this one's only 4, but we don't know how long they've been there, and it's a bestseller as well. Free UK delivery. Well, it's a digital planner, so I don't know why they put that in, but 637, and they are selling. So there's stickers as well, individual stickers that you can be creating and selling on this platform. So again, like I say, another income stream. So this is Zinnia. This is their own app showing you there. There's also tutorial videos as well, but not showing you how to actually create these templates. It's just showing you how to use them. So let's go into the training. So this is the training here. Now they are downloadable videos, so you actually do need a computer or somewhere that actually accepts you to download the videos to watch. There's no area to actually watch them on the membership, but like I said, there are 6 videos in total, and then the extra bonus one because video 3 is split down, and then there is a mini pack for you to follow along with. So I'm just going to open up. This is the folder that you get here, and so I've saved all the videos there. As you can see, I've been working through them, and you can actually see, if I open this up, you can actually see that she is working on an iPad showing you how it is used. But again, you don't actually need an iPad to create these. You just need Keynote and, well, Keynote or PowerPoint. So it doesn't matter whether you're Apple or Windows. So that shows you how she uses it, and this is how to profit along. So the whole point, if you want to go into business, she's showing you how to actually be creating these for yourself so you can be selling them. So that is the videos, and then here is the mini packs that it comes with, and again you can see it's PowerPoint and Keynote, and then there's some PNGs as well for you to be using. Now they are only personal use with inside that, so you cannot be selling those. They're only for you to use. Okay, so there are 2 upsells, and these 2 upsells are actually split into commercial and personal use. So this is the full January 2021 design pack. It has over 700 original ready-to-use design elements, and it comes in 2 licenses. It comes in the personal license and the commercial license, and as you can see, there's quite a lot of stuff here, and as you can see, it is created in either Keynote or in PowerPoint, so that you can be seeing how it's done and creating your own using something similar. There's also training videos as well. Now, if you get the personal use, you can use it for yourself, and you get training videos with audio but no script. Now, if you want the commercial use, this is where you can then be creating it and using all the different designs and the spreads, and then you can either be selling it for your personal use, you can be selling it for your customers for them to personally use, not for them to then be selling on to somebody else. It's you creating the product using all of these graphics and then selling it to the end user, like somebody on Etsy. But not only that, you get how-to videos with or without audio and a script included, so you can actually be making videos for your own customers, just adding your own voice without you. So if you haven't got an iPad to show people how to use it, this is your answer, because there is videos provided showing it being used on an iPad, and you just add your own audio and you follow the script, reading out the script, adding your own audio. The only thing is you cannot just bang it out on YouTube. It needs to be secure behind some sort of membership software, or password protected, and it must be streamed only. So like this one is download, yours must be streamed only. So you either need to use video and YouTube and have it unlisted or even private and then linked into your membership area, or you can use Groove Videos, or you can use Vimeo, and also Amazon S3. Also you can be storing your videos there and then putting them on either your WordPress site or putting them on the link on any of your websites that you create. If you haven't got a website and you want to do these sort of things, if you click in the link down in the description, there is GrooveFunnels, which gives you free website. It gives you three websites, and it also gives you the ability to store videos as well. And the link will be down in the description for that. You don't need to pay to upgrade or anything like that. You can if you want, but you don't need to. You can use the free model to be able to deliver training to your customers. So like I said, there are two payment plans, $47 for the commercial and $27 for the personal use. After launch on the 17th of December at 10 a.m. Pacific time, this will go up to $67, and the price will increase to $47, and it already says it there, and Shawn is a stickler for the rules. So that is that one there. Then this is actually showing you Upsell 1, which is where the download is for you to download your videos, and there's all scripts and everything. Download, click here to download your graphics and all the scripts that you can be using. So click here to download your audio script. So that is that. Then there is a second upsell, which is this Cat-size design pack, and it has over 200 original ready-to-use design elements, which are very, very cute. And you've got a choice again of commercial use or personal use. And remember, personal use is for you to use, but commercial use is for you to be able to create it and then sell it on to your customer, who must be using it for their personal use. They cannot then be going off and selling it and selling it. It must be for them to use. So it's not an extended license in that. And the price for that is $17 for the personal use and $27 for the commercial use, and those prices will also be going up to $27 and $37 after the launch. So that is actually Let's Get Digital Buyers. So it's about increasing your audience, it's about increasing your customers and introducing them to something new and getting them across to the digital platforms where you can be selling them even more different things. So instead of just like a planner, you can then be selling them inserts to the planners, you can be selling them different stickers to the planners, you can be selling them different hobby planners. There's all sorts of things out there that you can actually be selling to them. So if you want to get your own version of this from Shawn, and she's a great support, you can email her at any time. She's got a Facebook group, you can ask her questions, she's very helpful. I get all of her training because I like to follow it along, because she tells you as it is. There's no waffle, straight to the point, easy listening, easy training. So if you want to get your own copy, the link will be down in the description. And again, get it during the launch period and you'll be saving yourself some money. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to be notified about any other videos I make. And I will be making another video showing you how to actually use masking tools inside Photopea, which is another free tool that you can actually be using to either create digital planners or KDP low content books. Thank you for watching. I'm Kerry from Dream Creative Bee, and if you've got any questions, please leave them down in the comments, because I do actually answer all the comments.